this is what we have been discussing. So you can see here we have a mitigation block at this level. This structure here, you can see it's a mitigation block structure. Okay, so price is pushing back to balance everything, and then price push down. Okay, so this is what we have discussed in terms of market structure, that mitigation block and breakup block and also QML, they get to help you in understanding shift in market structure or market structure as a whole. Okay, so these structures, they get to help you understand. So this is how I started understanding these structures. It helped me to understand shift in market structure. So basically this is what we have here. You can see this is a mitigation. We have a shift in market structure taking place here, but you can see I've indicated this level here as a shift in market structure, or sometimes I will just say this is going to be our sell side liquidity that we're going to be targeting. Okay, so the tricky thing is now, if you look at this level here, okay, before price start to retrace here, this is where the rally began. Okay, so this is gonna be the range that I'm gonna be working within. Okay, so whenever we get to talk about the reversal, okay, we get to talk about the reversal, we need to see price taking out this level. Okay, we need to see price taking out this sell side liquidity where the rally has begun. Okay, so therefore we can say this is a shift in market structure. Okay, so what you get to see here, we can say it's a minor shift in market structure, which indicates that price is most likely to continue to go down. Okay, so when you see, you look at this here, this is a high here, price push down and then price push up. So you can see here we already have a shift in market structure. Yes, price was pushing up and then it retraced, get to this level here, and then it pushed down, and then you see price taking out this also. So this also indicates that we are bearish. Okay, but we cannot say this is a shift in market structure. It might be that our price finds something here and then it push up and then it goes like this. So it's going to be a retracement until we have this level being taken out where the rally began. Okay, so this is where the rally began. Okay, so this is where the rally began. So this is the level, this is the range that you're gonna be working within. Okay, so this is the major shift in market structure that you will want to see. Okay, but also what will be taking place within this area here where you're gonna be having minor shift in market structure, it will indicate or add confluence that we are most likely to get to this level here and take it out. Okay, so you can use that. Okay, but if that will confuse you, just focus on this level here being taken out, and then what you're going to be waiting for is a retracement to get to this level, close this liquidity void that has been created, and then you look for any institutional reference points to use as a reference points to sell. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So if you want to learn more, just Google mitigation block. You're gonna see the first results when it comes to websites. It's gonna be Ghost Trader. You go there, you read this material, just read this material, and then you're gonna get to have a clear understanding of what market structure is and what mitigation block is. So that's it for this video. Shalom.